Hello, my name is Mini Sethi. Today I'm going to discuss about summary of book Attitude is Everything. This book is written by Jeff Keller. In this book, author describe about that how improving in your attitude can raise your potential as well as your organizational potential. This book consists 12 chapters. These chapters teach us how positive attitude can help us to achieve our goal. This 12th chapter teaches how our positive attitude help us to achieve our goals. One by one we discuss about 12 chapters. The first chapter is that your attitude your attitude is your window to world. First chapter is that your attitude is your window to world. Means that our attitude is like a window. Our attitude is like a window. Okay. With this window, we see the world. When we are child, our window is so clean. When we are child, our window is so clean. But with the age, it's covered with dirt. With the age, it's covered with dirt. Dirt mean rejection, criticism, disappointment given by people surrounding us. When we are child, our window is so clean, but with the age, it covered with dirt. Dirt means criticism, disappointment, rejection given by people surrounding us. So it is our duty to keep our window clean. It is our duty to keep our window clean. Means that we should keep our attitude clean and positive. Instead of saying I can't, we have to say I can. This is transformation of our attitude. Okay, so it is our duty, it is our responsibility to keep our window clean. Means keep our attitude clean and positive. Okay, this is first chapter. Second chapter, you are human. Second chapter is that you are human magnet. You are human magnet. Al Nightingale, Al Nightingale says that you become what you think about. Al Nightingale says that you become what you think about. Okay, Al Nightingale says that you become what you think about. Okay, if you constantly thinking about your goal, if you constantly thinking about your goal, like human magnet, you will attract all tasks in the direction of your goal achievement. Okay, if you continue thinking about your goal, if you continue focus on your goal, then like human magnet, you will attract all tasks in the direction of your goal achievement. Okay, this is about second chapter. Third chapter is that picture. Third chapter is that picture your way to success. Picture your way to success. It means that picture your way to success. In this chapter, author describe about that you have to visualize your success. You have to imagine your success. You have to visualize your success. You have to imagine your success, because your mind understand language of picture. Because your mind understand language of picture, so you need to create picture in your mind, how you are achieving your milestone, how you are achieving your goal. Okay, third lesson teaches that we should imagine our success. We should imagine how we are achieving our milestone, because our mind understands language of picture. This is about third chapter. Okay, make make a commitment. Fourth chapter is about make a commitment and you will move mountain. Make a commitment, you will move mountain. Okay, this chapter teaches that nothing is impossible once you accepted in your mind. Nothing is impossible once you accepted in your mind. So committed yourself, Once you committed yourself, positive event ultimately happen in your life. Okay, once you committed yourself, positive event will start happening around you. Okay, so you must make commitment to yourself. Fourth lesson is about that, making commitment to yourself, because once you accept it, then nothing is impossible for you. Then fifth chapter fifth chapter teaches that turns your problem into opportunity. Okay, fifth chapter is about turn your problem into opportunity. Okay, those don't want to face problem. Life doesn't reward those people who don't want exposure of problems, who don't want exposure of challenges. Listen, I am repeating again. Life doesn't reward those people who don't want exposure of problem, who don't want exposure of challenges. ठीक है, if you want to succeed, if you want to find a success, you take problem as an opportunity. You take problem as an opportunity for taking positive action. Okay, if you see problem as a problem, then you can achieve success in your life. Okay, you must be see problem as an opportunity. Okay, then your words blaze a trail. Your words blaze a trail. It means that you must be watch your words. Okay, you must be watch your words that you are using in your day-to-day life. You must be watch your words that you are using in your day-to-day life. Words has incredible power. Words has incredible power, because your words make your belief system, and your belief system make your reality. Your words make your belief system, and your belief system make your reality. For example, if you continues using words, I cannot do, you are continue using this word. If you continue using this word, I don't have a confidence, I cannot do it. This will make your beliefs. This will make your beliefs. And with this negative belief, you will take little action or no action. With this negative belief, you will take little action or no action. As a result, you cannot get any result, any achievement. Okay, so you should cautionly choose your word. You should carefully choose your word. Okay, that you are using for yourself. Okay, only use positive words for yourself. I can do it, I am very confident. So that will make your belief system so strong. Ultimately, if your belief system is strong, you will take action that ultimately take you for achievement. Seventh lesson, how are you? Seventh lesson, how are you? How to give reply of this question. How to give. If you give negative reply, I am feeling very bad, I am feeling very horrible. If you give negative reply, I am feeling very bad, I am feeling very horrible, it will drain your all energy and create a negative environment. If you give negative reply, it will drain your energy and create a negative environment. On the other hand, if you give positive reply, I am feeling great, I am feeling awesome, this will boost your confidence and create a positive environment. If you give positive reply, I am feeling awesome, I am feeling fabulous, this will boost your confidence and create a positive environment. Okay, then eighth chapter, stop complaining. Eighth chapter, stop complaining. Okay, discussing about problem for finding a solution is not bad. If you're discussing problem for finding a solution, it is not bad. But if you are complaining about headache, if you are complaining about backache, this will create negative outlook. If you continues complaining about I have a headache, I have a backache, I have a so many disease, it will create negative work environment, it will create negative overlook. Okay, if you want to create a positive environment, then you have to count your blessing. if you want to create a positive outlook, you have to count your blessing. Okay, so you should not complaining about things. Okay, that is eighth lesson. Teach us. Ninth, associate with positive people. There are two kind of people. One is toxic people, other is nourishing people. One is toxic people, other is nourishing people. Toxic people are negative people. Their negative attitude drag you down. Their negative attitude drag you down. They will tell you about those things which you cannot do. Okay, that will drag your whole energy. Okay, that will suck your whole energy. Okay, on the other hand, nourishing people are supporting people, positive people. They will motivate you. So you should stay away from toxic people. You will spend more and more time with nourishing people. Okay, this is about ninth step, ninth lesson. Then 10th lesson teaches confront your fear and grow. Okay, getting away from your fear will down your self-esteem. Getting away from your fear down your self-esteem. You have to face your fear. Okay? That will boost your confidence. If you have fear of public speaking, then go to public place, start communicating with public. That will boost your confidence. So you have to face your fear. Then 11th chapter teaches get out there, get out there and fail. If you have failure of if you have fear of failure, you cannot learn, you cannot succeed. If you have fear of failure, okay, after one failure you have to work with double enthusiasm. Okay, if you have fear of failure you cannot succeed. So you should learn from your failure. After one failure you should work with double enthusiasm. Okay, then last chapter, networking. Networking that gets result. In last chapter author describe about importance of teamwork. In last chapter author describe about importance of teamwork. Okay, author suggested that we should help people, we should help people with positive attitude. As a result people help us back, because you cannot succeed alone. You cannot succeed alone, you need support of other people. Okay, this is about brief summary of these books. I think you can understand. Thank you.